discovered, new theories expounded, and new thoughts developed. It is always becoming a new knowledge. It is a new way of looking upon the condition, facts and conditions of life and nature. In simple words, science is an instrument for discovering new knowledge and developing new thoughts and new ways of thinking. The same is like political science. It is constantly changing, growing, and developing as new facts and are discovered and new theories are expounded. Many old theories are challenged and new theories introduced by various schools of thoughts, especially in Western countries. Political science is the branch of knowledge that deals with the systematic study of structure and behavior of the state and political institutions through scientific analysis. Thus, political science is the subject of universal interest and deals with the different fields of human life of great complexity. Definitions of political science. Two types of definitions: traditional definition and modern definition. Traditional definition. These early definitions of political science generally deal with the state and government. Paul Janet, a French author, Paul Janet writes, political science is a part of social sciences which is concerned with the foundation of state and principles of government. 2. Professor J.V. Garner. Political science begins and ends with the state. Dr. Stephen Leacock. Political science deals with the government. Modern definition. Harold B. Laxwell. According to American political scientists, politics is the study of shaping and sharing political powers. Kaplan. Political science is the study of act of human and social control. Andrew Harvey. Political can be defined as an activity for which people make, preserve, and amend the general rule where they live. Two different but irrelated ways of political science. It's the study of political institutions, the state, and the government. Study of the phenomena of power or force in the human society. Power is the central organizing factor in politics, while government and state is its operational structure. मीनिंग ऑफ पॉलिटिकल साइंस। चलो ये वीडियो मेरे ख्याल में काफ़ी हो चुकी है। अल्लाह हाफिज़।